Hi, this is part 2 of our consonant blends lesson. How are you all doing? Okay, so today we are going to talk about consonant blends again. But first, I just have a question for you. Did you practice your letters and sounds today? Give me a thumbs up if it's a yes, or a thumbs down if it's a no, not yet. Okay, and that's okay if you did not practice your letters and sounds yet today. You can go back to the video I posted yesterday, and you can just do the first part, practice your letters and sounds, see if you can beat me to say your letter and sound first before I do, and then that'll be your practice for today. All right, one other question I have for you is, what are our 5 vowels? Do you remember from yesterday? Count 5 vowels. What letters are vowels? Did you get it? All right. Well, if not, that's okay. And if you did, you can check your answers here. All right. We have, what letter is this? Good. A. What letter is this? Good. E. I. O. U. Good. And now remember yesterday we talked about vowels being very, very, very important because in every word we read, there's a vowel. So we definitely need to know the sounds of the vowels. So let's practice those again today too. Okay. What sound does A say? Good. Ah, like I'm going to go eat my apple. Ah, ah. All right. What sound does E say? Good. Like eh. Eh. Very good. What sound does I say? Eh. Good. Eh. Eh. Remember when something's kind of like icky or scary, I go eh. All right. What sound does O say? Good. Like you're going to the dentist and your mouth is open and you say ah. That's the sound that O says. And what sound does U say? Good. It's like I think of like you're thinking like very good. A, E, I, O, U are our vowels. Say them with me. A, E, I, O, U are our vowels. Our consonants are all the other letters in the alphabet. So that's a lot of letters. So if it's not a vowel, it's a consonant. And we learn about consonant blends by putting those letters together, forming a sound. So if we have the letter C, what sound does C make? Good. Okay, if we have the letter R, what sound does R make? R. Good. Now if we put these two letters side by side, we make the sound of cur. Cur. Okay, so cur, I, B. Cur, I, B. Blend it together and what word do you get? Good. If you said crib, you're right. You just read a word with a consonant blend in it. Remember, consonant blends are 2 letters together, not separated by the vowel. So we're going to do a couple more of these, and then at the end of the lesson, you will read some words with consonant blends by yourself to me. Very good. All right, let's do this one. What sound does B say? B. Good. What about L? Ooh. Now let's put them together. Bull. And now let's read the bottom word. Bull. A. B. Now read it to me. Blob. Very good. You are doing awesome. All right. We're going to do one more of those before we read some words on our own, okay? All right. What does T say? T and R. Okay? T, we put them together. Tr. And then let's read this word at the bottom if you can. Tr. A. P. What'd you get? If you said trap, you got it. Awesome job. Okay, now I made some words with some blocks, and I made the vowel red. So the vowel is red, meaning these two consonants together are a consonant blend. So let's say these sounds together. Say dr. Now read your vowel. Ah. P. What word is it? If you said drop, you got it. Good job. All right, let's try another one. Say these two sounds together. This is our consonant blend. Can you say those sounds together? Try it. Cool. What's your vowel? A. P. What word is it? Cool. A. P. If you said clap, you got it. All right, let's do another one. Okay. I'm going to give you a minute to see if you can read this without my help. So you go ahead. Now let's do it together. Consonant, put these two sounds together. St. Eh. P. What'd you get? Did you say step? Awesome. Oh man, you're so good at this. All right, let's do another one. You can try it on your own first. All right, now let's do it together. Let's put our consonant blends together. So we'll say sw, I, swim. Good. And we have one more to read, and then we're going to do a little sight words, and then we're done. So stay with me. All right, here we go. Put these two sounds together. Do you say pl, pull, pull? Pull, What'd you get? If you said plum, awesome job. All right. Yesterday, we had 3 new sight words, and you probably saw them in your book that you read, and we're going to review those again. The first new sight word is 1, and that's the number 1. The other sight word is 2, and that's the number 2. And the other one is 3, and that's the number 3. The ones below are review sight words. Now, they're not all of your sight words. They're just a few that'll be in your new book this week. So make sure you practice the rest of the sight words at a later time. But let's read this one again. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now I want you to read the words to me as I point to them, okay? You ready? Okay, go. 1, 2, 3. Good. Make sure you say it before me, okay? Have, like, see, you, can, do. Awesome. Those are practicing our sight words, and now this is our very, very last thing we're going to do today, and then we are all done, okay? So I have 3 sentences. Each one I started with a capital letter, and I ended with a period. I have spaces between my words. Now, looking at this top sentence, I want you to point to our new sight word, 3. Can you find 3 in this top line? Okay, did you point to the word 3 in the very top line? If you pointed to this word, you are right. This says 3. So now I want you to read me the sentence. I'm going to point to each word. You read it to me, okay? Okay, if you need some help, I can help you. Now, there is a consonant blend here, and this is full. So, full, ips. Full, ips. Okay, now we're going to start at the beginning, and we're going to read that word at the very end. But that might have tricked you up because of that consonant blend we've been practicing. Maybe it didn't trick you up. Maybe you're really, really getting it. All right, let's read it together. I did 3 flips. Awesome. All right, on the second line, I want you to find our new sight word, 2, the number 2. Look in this second line, see if you can find our new word 2 and point to it. Okay, good. If you pointed to this word, TWO, you are right. That is our new sight word, meaning the number 2. And we also have a consonant blend here. So you say those two sounds and blend them together. But I want you to read the sentence to me first, okay? Okay, let's sound this one out before we read it together. Sp, a, ts. Sp, a, ts. All right, now let's read the sentence together. I have 2 spots. Awesome. Last one, and then we are all done. You are doing so good today. Okay, so this last sentence, I want you to find our new sight word, 1. It's the word 1, and it means the number 1. Okay, go ahead, look through this last sentence and see if you can find it and point to it. Okay, if you pointed to this word right here, you are right. That is our new sight word, 1. Awesome job. We also have a consonant blend here, T-R, and T-R, you blend those sounds together and it says tr, tr, app. Okay, now read the sentence to me. Okay, good. Let's read it together. I have 1 trap. Awesome. Now, one thing you could do today to practice is you could write some sentences and make sure that you have spaces between your words and punctuation at the end. If it's a question, you put a question mark. If it's really excited, you put an exclamation mark. And if it's just a statement, you put a period. Make sure you put those punctuations after, and also read your book, My Words. All of our lessons should have helped you sound out all of your words that are in this story. So go ahead and read your book, and we'll see you next time. Bye.